This is me, this is my iPhone, that's my iPad, and there's my 7D. And this is my adventures in nature. But I will cross any body of water if there's a bird I want to see. And there's a whole flock of crab plovers, which is one of the birds I've come to UAE for, and I'm now going to walk on water to see and try and get a good picture of a crab plover. Now there's another point. I very rarely bare my legs to the sun, and it's pretty hot, and I've had to take the trousers off, and I will either get sunburned to see the bird I want. And just to prove it, there's my legs. As pink as a greater flamingo. Water as clear as a bottle of Absolute. Well, I'm halfway now, and you can probably hear the greater flamingos all squawking. Oh, I don't think that's because of me. I think that's just sort of, they've all just gathered and they're probably having a chin wag about who found the best shrimps. They are so beautiful. Now, through my telescope, these crab plovers, they're just fantastically beautiful. And I've seen them in books, I've seen photographs of them, and I've tried to see them all over the world, Malaysia, Bahrain, and finally I've caught up with one. Okay, I've just leopard crawled along a sand dune. Oh, it's a long time since I've done that. Playing commandos as a kid was all training to video crab plovers. I'm exhausted. Superb. Look at that. Beautiful flock of crab plover. Day 2. I've come before the water. Therefore I didn't have to bare my pink legs to the sun, and the tide is slowly coming in, and I'm hoping that I'm hidden enough that the crab plovers won't notice me. Well, all done. Successful. Beautiful crab plovers. Great fun. I just felt like I was a child again, waiting for all that water. Sort of, I looked at it and I thought, you know, you're an adult, you don't do things like that, but it was good fun, it was. And it was quite warm, the water, and there was no jellyfish, no mangrove crabs snipping at my toes. So all in all, a great adventure.